to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. No, I'm just playing. Okay, so let's get right into it. I participated in the Ulta and Sephora. They had like some sales, especially Sephora, you know, the 20% off if you're VIB or Rogue. I'm definitely VIB. So I'm gonna start with the Sephora, what I got from Sephora. So it comes in a box like this, and some of the stuff I already used and I've been using, so it's not easy, but I'm still gonna talk about it. So first, we have the Urban Decay All Nighter. Like, I love this spray, like I swear by it, but the Morphe continuous spray has kind of changed my life, but I do like this. So it was 2 for $39, so I really do like this, and I used that. I also got the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer, and it is in the color Amande. I haven't used it yet, but I purchased it, and I'm gonna put the price of all of this stuff down at the bottom. So the NARS Complete. I also got some, I wanted to try this brand, y'all. I'm about to butcher this name. OLEHENRIKSEN. Don't judge me. But these are the Truth on Glow Cleansing Cloths. So like, take off your makeup. And I've been using, only used one of these, but my LS recommended this Walnut Transforming Scrub. Oh my God. So amazing. So I've been using it with the Clean and True foaming cleanser, and I like put more stuff in my cart from this brand because my skin has been loving it. Like, my skin has been clearing up. So, and then I also got the moisturizer, and it is the Sheer Transformation Perfecting Moisturizer. So I do this one, I'm going to do this 3 times a week, and so I've used it twice, and I've been using this like daily. So far so good. I also purchased so the next thing I got from Sephora is this bronzing, and I've been using it, and it's just a Sephora brand in Canary Islands, and it is pretty. It's very pretty. Comes with a little mirror, so I've been using this one. I'm trying to make sure I'm forgetting anything else from from Sephora. Okay, that is all from Sephora. Now let's go to Ulta. So Ulta, oh, and I got this from Sephora. I'm just all out of whack. I got this from Sephora. It's the Mercier Translucent Deep. This, I love this. Like, I just opened it today because it just says my makeup better. So now we're gonna go to Ulta. From Ulta, I got the Morphe Continuous Spray. I think I want to spray some right now, even though I already set my makeup. But it's continuous, so you can have me looking like, dang. So, this is really good, like, and it's $15, so not bad at all. I also bought the Smashbox Photo Finish, and of course the Smashbox Foundation. I love these two. I've been using this one longer than this, but this is the Studio Skin 15-Hour Hydrating Foundation, and it is in the shade 4.2, and this is aside from Estee Lauder, like, and my other, like, this is my second favorite foundation. Like, it doesn't check out. It does not check out. It's faithful. It's loyal. You're loyal. she's loyal. So these two, Ulta. And then I also purchased from Ulta. This is just some little low-end, like I'm a fan of having low-end and high-end stuff. So I buy it all. So from some more stuff I have is the water, cleansing water from Garnier. I haven't used this, but I tried the Clinique, and Clinique broke me out. Instead of taking a day off, like, it was putting bumps on. Like, I broke out so bad from that, from the take the day off. And I know a lot of people rave about it. So I just got this, and I'm gonna see how this works. And it was on sale, so. I also bought this glycolic foaming cleanser, and so I'm gonna try it. I heard the glycolic is good for your skin. It helps like peel up that dead skin and whatnot. I haven't tried it yet. And I also got some Botanics facial oil, organic with rosehip, and I actually used it today with my skincare, and it was amazing. So I'm have to start so far. So I can only say for today. We have to see how this plays out. And then I also got some lip pencils from NYX. Y'all, I'm that person that buys the same color. Same color, looks like. But I promise it's different, so I'm gonna swatch them. Y'all probably won't be able to see it. So this is the color Mason. So that's the color Mason. And watch, all of these are gonna look the same, kinda. I can't open this. This one is the color, and this is the suede Cherry Skies. Oh, so some more red, and then I got two suede lipsticks. See, they almost are the same color, and then and then I got the liquid suede. They all look like the same. The color Brooklyn Thorn. This is Brooklyn Thorn. It's really pretty. It's kind of like a gray. I don't know how to. And they're matte. These are matte lipsticks. This one is in the color Moonwalk. Ooh, look at this. This is so pretty. That is, they look the same. But this is Moonwalk. I love this color, y'all. And last but not least, oh, I just stabbed myself, y'all. Oh, God. This one is in the color Cold Brew. So another, like, I'm that neutral girl. Oh, yeah, I'm conflicted. But look at that brown. I want to put it on there, but I'm not gonna mess it up. So yeah, so I spent, I spent a lot of money. So I think I'm not gonna buy any makeup until next year. I think that was suffice. Y'all, I really cut myself. So yeah, thank you for coming to my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you come back to my channel. Make sure you not only subscribe, but that you hit the bell button. So when you hit the bell button, you know when I drop a new video. So hit the bell button. Now, I'll give you a moment. Thank you for watching.